In this video, I'll show you how to clear your YouTube app cache. Okay, it's really easy and simple to do this. All you want to do is close out of the YouTube app if you're already open on that, and come here to your phone's settings. Okay, go ahead and open up settings on your phone, and this is what you do. First, you scroll down and you look for either app management, apps, or app list, anything like that. So I've clicked on app management. Now I'll click on app list. Depending on your phone, you'll see the different name, right? Then you scroll all the way down. You want to look for Y because this is a YouTube. So you'll find it all the way down here at Y and the alphabets. So here, YouTube, click on that. And then here, I want you to click on storage and cache. Okay. Click on this. And here at the bottom right, you'll see the option to clear cache. As you can see, I have about 836 MB worth of cache. So if I click on clear cache, there you go. So click on that and just wait for a few seconds, right? Now it is 0 bytes, right? Really that easy and simple.